She wakes up early on weekdays. She wakes up early on weekdays. He drinks water before breakfast. He drinks water before breakfast. They live near the city center. They live near the city center. We study English together. We study English together. You speak very clearly today. You speak very clearly today. I feel better this morning. I feel better this morning. She works in a small office. She works in a small office. He drives to work every day. He drives to work every day. They take the train to school. They take the train to school. We arrive on time. We arrive on time. You open the window slowly. You open the window slowly. I close the door quietly. I close the door quietly. She listens carefully. She listens carefully. He explains the lesson again. He explains the lesson again. They ask many questions. They ask many questions. We answer politely. We answer politely. You wait for the bus. You wait for the bus. I check the schedule. I check the schedule. She looks at her phone. She looks at her phone. He sends a message. He sends a message. They eat lunch outside. They eat lunch outside. We share the food. We share the food. You choose a healthy meal. You choose a healthy meal. I order a sandwich. I order a sandwich. She pays the bill. She pays the bill. He thanks the waiter. He thanks the waiter. They leave the restaurant. They leave the restaurant. We walk home slowly. We walk home slowly. You feel full now. You feel full now. I enjoy the meal. I enjoy the meal. She likes calm music. She likes calm music. He prefers action movies. He prefers action movies. They watch TV together. They watch TV together. We listen to the radio. We listen to the radio. You change the channel. You change the channel. I turn off the TV. I turn off the TV. She reads a short story. She reads a short story. He writes in his notebook. He writes in his notebook. They practice pronunciation. They practice pronunciation. We repeat the sentence. We repeat the sentence. You learn something new today. You learn something new today. I remember that word. I remember that word. She forgets the meaning. She forgets the meaning. He checks the dictionary. He checks the dictionary. They improve little by little. They improve little by little. We speak more confidently. We speak more confidently. You make good progress. You make good progress. I feel more relaxed now. I feel more relaxed now. She smiles when she speaks. She smiles when she speaks. He stays focused. He stays focused. They meet new people. They meet new people. We talk about hobbies. We talk about hobbies. You enjoy long walks. You enjoy long walks. I like quiet places. I like quiet places. She loves the ocean. She loves the ocean. He hates loud noise. He hates loud noise. They travel once a year. They travel once a year. We plan the trip together. We plan the trip together. You pack your bag early. You pack your bag early. I bring my passport. I bring my passport.